What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. And today we're going to be doing something that you guys may have seen already on my car, but we're going to be doing it on my mom's car. So this is a part of Christmas. It's a little bit late. It's past Christmas, but you're going to see what this is. And it is really a necessary mod on every single Mustang from 10 through 14. It just bolts right in, it plugs right in, and it really just modernizes the crap out of the car. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. On my car, I have the Diode Dynamics right here in black. And whenever you click the button, actually, that is just a single line that really modernizes the car. I really wish I had my key on me, and I'm too lazy to go inside and go get it. So I'm gonna show you guys the before right here, which is my mom's car. So we're gonna be hooking her up with the blackout ones as well, because the orange just clashes with the gray, and even in the back, you can see the red, it just clashes. And the black is just gonna blend in a lot better. It's gonna look OEM almost. So it'll be all black with like a red line. And the quality is like top notch on these things, because Diode Dynamics every single time just kills it. Another thing is we're gonna move the car so that way we can get to it, but this little vent popped out of her car. So you can see it's just sitting there. So we're gonna get that all taken care of for her too. So that way when she drives this thing, it's not rattling around looking all ratchet. And yeah, we're gonna get everything dialed in for her. So here's a little Roush cold start action for you. So she has full cats, everything except the Roush axle backs with the square tip. So and it's been sitting for about a week, so this is fully a cold start. And also inside, you can see it just has the screen. I guess is kind of a common issue on these things. So maybe a Dyna Performance, Dynavin collab, maybe get her some carbon, maybe get her a new head unit, stuff like that. I don't know. I have it in my car. I love that stuff, but I got to make sure it matches her style. If I did just do the Dynavin though, it would match this gray perfectly and look OEM, like it would blend in right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and move this thing over and start working on it. So we're going to go ahead and attack this rear one first. You actually, if you just have one of these little trim tool removals and a microfiber, you'll be able to get away with it. Even though these won't mar necessarily, I don't want to risk it on the paint. But it comes with the instruction manual here, and you're going to pry from this side like that, and then you should be able to get it out. If you don't have one of these, then you got to remove these screws and reach around, but I'm going to just deal with that. So this is the rear one, so that's what it'll kind of look like right there. You can see that spring clip, and it'll plug in right there, and that's how this whole thing will work. This will plug into the old socket, all plug and play, Doty, everything's good to go. But you can already tell it's going to clean it up quite a bit. It's going to have a nice line in the middle, and you won't even see it when it's off. So let's go ahead and knock it out. Hopefully this doesn't fight us, and we can go from there. There we go. All right, that one's nice and easy. I'm getting better at this. You pull out the plug. There we go. And we replace this. Pull out this LED because she does already have an LED actually. We're going to plug that in here. Just like that. Wow, it's actually like a real-time install here. Plug it back in. Go to the back. Oh, didn't plug it in right. This has to go in first. And just like that. Literally plug and play on the back side. The front might give us a little bit more trouble, but you can see right there, that was literally a 30-second install, it feels like, 45 seconds. OEM fitment, nice and clean, looks good. So now that we're coming around on this side, we're gonna have to take out this one, but this one actually has a little bolt on the back, like a little nut. And you also have to take out a little bit of the fender liner here, just a couple of, I think, like 6 mils or 7 mils, something tiny. And also you can see we have this awesome air hole. So we're gonna fix that, snap that back into place, but we're gonna do that by taking a little bit of the wheel liner out, and I can reach around there and push it back in there. And yeah, hopefully that should go nice and smoothly. So I'm gonna be knocking out the fronts. These are the hardest part. Really just need a couple hand tools, a little bit of patience, and also I recommend turning the wheel just to give you some more room. 7 mil, so I got a little 1/4 inch, and it's just this one, and this one, and that should get you access. Ah, whoever put this on cross-threaded it. Nice. There it goes. There we go. just like that. Let's make sure it works. Boom, OEM Plus. Now we're gonna put on the back little nuts, I guess, that crush onto there, and then we'll be set. Then once you have the fender liner back and you pull it around, you can go ahead and reinstall your little screws here. You should kind of find those holes, and just 3 of them like that, you should be good to go. So here you guys go. Here's the quick before, nice glow. That's still an LED, which is an upgrade from stock, and then after. So big upgrade. Now we're gonna knock out that side. It is all done, and man, does that look so much better. It's even in the rear right there, and I'll just wrap you guys around so you guys can see the whole thing. Wait, let me click the key again. Boom, there's the key, and yeah, it just looks so much better. I have them on my car too, but the big thing for me is that when they're off and like during the daytime, 1, it modernized it. Don't you guys agree? Leave a comment down below. But 2, it just makes it so much cleaner because it's not orange or red whenever it's not on. So even though you're still legal, DOT have the light, when it's off, it's just all black. So it just looks modified, looks a lot cleaner. Another part of her gift is this thing right here. So this is the sequencer for all 2010 and up. It's super easy, it plugs and play. It's in line with your already, your tail light harness. But everybody knows, or you should know, on the Mustang, it has the iconic 3. So the 3 things there, but see how when I'm clicking it and you hit the brakes, it's just both of them on? Well, if you hit the blinker, it'll go did-a-dink. You know, like everybody knows it's to the left. So what this little sequencer will do is make it so that way your hazards, your brakes, even your unlock. So when you do that, it'll do the 3 on both sides for everything, even your brakes. Jeez, Mom. All right, so she's got a lot of stuff over here. What you're gonna do first is take off these little wing nuts for your panel. There's one here, one, I think actually just these 2, and then it's got like these, whatever they're called, the clips that you have to pry out. So you're gonna do that, and then this whole panel come off, and that's really all the removing you gotta do. I think you can maybe even just remove this little wing nut here and reach behind it and not even have to fiddle with all the crap behind there. So, oh yeah, there it is. So you're gonna pull that out, and you're gonna put that gray thing, I'll put the sequencer in between that, between the headlight and that. So we have the left one installed. It literally took 30 seconds. You can see the difference right there. So when I click unlock, the left one will do the 3, the right one does all 3, and it's all plug and play. It's so satisfying about whenever you do a mod that's actually worthwhile, make something cool happen, and it's not just maintenance, that it only takes 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and it's just so small and so cheap. I mean, I think this was 60 bucks when I got it. The side markers are under 200. That 260 bucks right there, if you have Christmas money left over, highly recommend these mods just because they modernize the crap out of the car, set it apart a little bit. And I don't know, whenever I noticed a car, whenever I saw one on the street with the sequencer, with the 3-bar thing on the brakes and stuff, it just really caught my eye and made me like really want that. Because you want to stand out in the road. 1, it's a little bit safer, I feel like, because you get more attention. You're not just sitting there doing a normal brake light. Everyone kind of really pays attention to it because it's not the standard brakes that everyone sees. So I think that's safer, looks cooler. It puts you a little bit out there as far as Mustangs go, because all of these cars come with the 3-bar turn signal, but they're not the 3-bar brakes and hazards and stuff like that. And the side markers, well, you already know I freaking love those. You've heard me say it a million times. It modernizes it, looks good, cleans it up when they're off. I mean, it really does kind of look OEM plus on this backside. It's got the black and red there, the black with the red in there. So yeah, this car is really the epitome of OEM plus. And yeah, we're just gonna keep modifying it here and there. She's got some more mods on the way regarding this section probably right here. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, it's just a totally different look than my car. Mine's just out there, totally balls to the wall. Hers is more OEM plus, blends in, but still nice and clean and has a rumble and has some mods. So yeah, just doing that on her car. But yeah, let's go ahead and knock out this side. It'll again take me 30 seconds. And probably as I talk, I can have this thing halfway done. Alrighty, so right there, it's all done. You click the thing, click it there, 3-barred. Boom. So that's how it'll look when she brakes, when she has her hazards on, when she does anything like unlock it, it'll always do that. So, oh, there you go. So there's the big one. Whenever you hit the brakes during the daytime, when you have your lights on and you have the rings on, because when your headlights come on, the rings come on. So there's that. And then when you lock it, it'll do the big ones and the middle ones. So there you guys go. Makes it look pretty freaking cool, I feel like. Alright, you guys, so if it feels like that I kind of rushed this one and I was talking super fast, it kind of was because we're running out of light here. and I just want to get this video out for you guys. I know it's been a little while and I've just been wrapped up with stuff, so I wanted to get this one out for you guys. And it's such a simple mod, and after Christmas you might have a little bit of money left over, or you might have gotten some money as a gift, so this might be a really good option for you guys if you did want to modify your car and modernize it and make it look a little bit cleaner with a simple install. Maybe you're not super handy or you don't have a ton of tools, but this will get you started modifying your car 100%. While I have you guys here though, and have you guys on the video, I wanted to bring this up. I don't know if you guys would be interested in it, but this is my 1999 Z71 GMC Sierra, and it needs some love, but its name is Lenny, and he just needs a little bit of cleaning up. I got him for $1,200. So this thing was an absolute steal. It runs and drives, 5.3 automatic, 4L60 if you guys are kind of familiar with those. It's leather, heated seats, powered seats, came with the camper shell. I really have some cool plans for them. I already had to get some new wheels, so these are takeoffs on a newer model. So I just want to know if you guys would be interested in watching a little build progression on this truck. There's a lot of these out there. I think over a couple million of these were sold because they're all the same from 99 to 06. And then actually that's the same motor, similar motor I should say, same transmission on that one, which is like a 2013 I want to say. So yeah, they definitely kept it all the same for a long time, but he just needs a little bit of love, and I'm gonna do some mods to him here and there. He might be a good tow rig. I want to do some like overland camping stuff with the camper, build like a platform, put the bed in there like an air mattress. So yeah, I just have some plans for him. I just want to see if you guys are interested in it, and we can make that happen. But yeah, I just wanted to bring that up to you guys. I know we're mainly Mustang stuff, but that's just one of the vehicles I own that I really want to bring some content for you guys, and there's a huge audience for them. But I just want to hear it from you guys. Leave a comment down below if you guys would be interested in that. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.